kids. Welcome to Tenloi's Learning Corner. Today we are going on a fun animal riddle adventure. Are you ready to guess some amazing animals and give your brain a good workout? Let's get started. I have a long trunk and big floppy ears. I am the largest land animal. What am I? An elephant. That is correct. Did you know that elephants use their long trunks like a big straw to drink water and pick up food? They can even use their trunks to give themselves a shower by spraying water all over their bodies. Isn't that cool? Now pretend like you're an elephant and stomp all around. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Great job stomping. I can fly, but I am not a bird. I am usually awake at night and I hang upside down. What am I? A bat. Now flap your hands and pretend like you're flying like a bat. Yay! Great job flying! We're flying like a bat. Did you know that bats are the only mammals that can really fly? They use their wings, which are actually their hands, and very long fingers to flap and soar through the night sky. And guess what? Some bats can eat hundreds of insects in just one night.
Awesome!
Let's pretend like we're hungry bats eating hundreds of insects in just one night. I am known as the king of the jungle. I have a mane and I roar loudly. What am I? It's a lion! Great job! I bet you did not know that lions are often called the king of the jungle because of their loud roar. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Lions live in groups called prides and they love to take long naps, sometimes sleeping up to 20 hours a day, roaring and resting. What a life! Now, let's see who can roar louder. Roar, roar, roar. Wow, that was really loud. I am a big cat with spots. I am very fast and can run quickly to catch my prey. What am I? A cheetah. Look at the cheetah swinging his tail. Can you swing your tail like a cheetah? Did you know that cheetahs are the fastest animals on land? They can run as fast as a car on the highway, reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour. But they can only run that fast for a short time, just long enough to catch their dinner. Zoom! I live in the ocean and have 8 arms. I can change colors and squirt ink. What am I? An octopus. Did you know that octopuses have 8 arms and 3 hearts? They are super smart and can solve puzzles and open jars to get food. Plus, they can change the color of their skin to hide from predators or communicate with other octopuses. Isn't that amazing? I have black and white stripes and live in Africa. What am I? A zebra! You got it again! Did you know that every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes? Just like our fingerprints. No two zebras look exactly the same. These stripes help them stay cool and can confuse predators. Zebras are like walking works of art. I am small and colorful. I can fly and I love to drink nectar from flowers. What am I? A butterfly! Amazing! You are so smart. Did you know that butterflies start their life as caterpillars? They go through an amazing transformation called metamorphosis. After being a caterpillar, they wrap themselves in a cozy cocoon or chrysalids, and when they come out, they are beautiful butterflies with colorful wings. It's like magic! I have a long neck and I eat leaves from tall trees. What am I? A giraffe! Did you know that giraffes have really long tongues? Their tongues can be up to 18 inches long and are blue and purple. They use their long tongues to grab leaves from tall trees. And just like our fingerprints, no two giraffes have the same spot patterns. Each giraffe is unique, just like you. Now let's see if you can guess this one. I am green and can hop. I catch flies with my long sticky tongue. What am I? Yes, a frog! Wow! Now let's take a look at this one. I am covered in spines and roll into a ball when I am scared. What am I? A hedgehog! Great job! Give yourself a round of applause. You've done a fantastic job. Did you know that hedgehogs have thousands of tiny, sharp spines on their back? When they feel scared, they curl up into a tight ball and their spines stick out to protect them from predators. Hedgehogs are like little spiky balls that can roll up to stay safe. Isn't that awesome? Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos from Tenloi's Learning Corner.